Hi, this is Ridan. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to add this type of contact us form in your home page, in your blog, and all the pages of website. So here you can see a WhatsApp, a call, and phone, and much more. So let's start. Log into your dashboard. For this, we have to download a plugin called new. If you don't have the plugin, download it. So here you can see a sticky element all in one floating contact form called Jen and 50 plus social icon there. And this one also you can see this have a 5 star, this also have a 5 star. So if you don't see the plugin here, you can also download by go on Chrome and type here my sticky elements plugin. You can also download from here. Okay, you can also download from here if you don't see in your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so go to your dashboard, down install it now. As it's installed now, let's activate. As you can see, our sticky element. Now I will do it later. There is some field what you want to enter in your form. For example, what you want to gather from the customer, from the user, the name you want to name. If you want to require this, do it required. If you want a phone number, you can also get the phone number, and you can it required. If you want their email, you can also enter email. And this is a prepared create form, so it's look like that as you can see in your website. So this is the field. If you don't want this message, you can also delete this. Okay, and if you want to add one new field, you can also add your field. Here you can see some you want to change the background color, you can also change from this. You can choose the color according to your website color scheme. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, you can also change the background color, whatever you want to add in your background color. Okay, so this is the front changes. Okay, and if you want to change the background submit button color, you can change the submit button color from here. Okay, so next it the add chat and social. What want to you add in your chat? For example, you want to add WhatsApp, you want to add phone number, so it will show the phone number over here. You want to add Viber, Skype, and whatever you want to add, you want to YouTube add here, so you can also so it's some pro version also you can. So okay, so when you add this and this, you have to enter your WhatsApp link number over here. So for me, my phone number is my WhatsApp number is this. I add my phone number over here like that. Okay, and also phone number over here. Okay, so click on next. So it will be show which where you want to place this. You want to pay in left or you want to pair in right, and if you want to pair in bottom, so you can place according whatever you want. So position in mobile, so you can change the position on desktop and mobile separately, so you can change. Okay, open tabs when hover click. Okay, oh, you can also choose when you click on it, it will appear, and when hover, so it will automatically appear. You can also choose the food family from here according to your choice. You can also these sizes, for example, you want to small, large. Okay, so you can change the position for desktop and mobile separately. I think this is enough. So let's publish and view. Okay, go to your website and see how it's look in your website now. So as you can see the form shown over here. When you hover on it, it will show here. If you want to add number, uh, phone number, what requirement you want from your user, your customer, and someone call on WhatsApp, and it will go on a WhatsApp. You can attach a link to WhatsApp. Okay, so if someone try on phone, so it will go on their WhatsApp, and if someone have WhatsApp on their desktop, so it will go on their desktop. Okay, if someone wanna call, so it will go on call, because obviously when someone call, they obviously click from the phone and will it go on their call list, so they can call from there. So this form is look like now, and someone want to submit, so they enter their name, phone number, email, and what they want to require. Okay, you can also change the position by the if you want to edit this, you have to go to your dashboard, sticky notes, and you can change their name, their sizes, their colors, and whatever you want to change. If you want to add more, you can add more. Okay, if you want that they're open like a new tab, so it will obviously work if you want. And don't forget to click on save. So if you want to change their positions, you can also change. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question about this video, let me know in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another